Whoops.
It was literally crumbling. It was crumbling, and the decision was to either fix it or totally disband it and tear it down. So we were fortunate enough to get the money and we rebuilt it. Everybody that's seen it are in awe. They can't believe how much better everything looks. The health department was complaining about the unsafety of it. It literally, when you walked around, pieces were falling and crumbling. So it's a huge, anybody that's been around can definitely tell the difference. The underside was in worse shape than this was, but they totally tore all the concrete off, refurbished everything, and painted everything back. It was built in 1913, the year of the flood. So it's kind of amazing with the flood that happened that this was built during that. So that's probably the biggest thing, is the history that it has.